the couples out there, I declare over you, may you walk like Enoch, believe like Abraham, fight like Jacob, dress like Joseph, stretch like Moses, conquer like Joshua, lead like Deborah, influence like Esther, dance like David, pray like Elijah, follow like Elisha, speak like Isaiah, rebuild like Nehemiah, preach like Peter, overcome like Paul. Above all, live, lead, and love like Jesus. And all the people of God said,